Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be reviewing for you this infrared gun-style thermometer. This is a infrared thermometer, a way to take temperatures off any surface, really. You can use it for personal body temperature, but you can also use it to get the temperature of any surface, which is kind of a cool extra way to use it. It's a great way to get an estimate of your temperature. It is precise in the normal body temperature range. It is precise up to plus or minus 0.4 degrees. If you go to an extremely hot or extremely low, you have a temperature or your body temperature has dropped, then it's going to be precise up to plus or minus 0.5. So it's a great way, quick way to check temperature, see if someone's temperature is extremely high or low out of the normal body temperature range for an individual. And it does have a lot of great features. Let's talk about what comes in the box. In the box, you get that little tiny screwdriver. That's in order to help you install the batteries, but they include that so you don't have to use your own. They also include a manual, of course, that gives you all the information you need so you'll know how to use the product correctly. And you get this nice gray velvety pouch to keep everything in. And then you have the thermometer itself. Nice thermometer, all the buttons and controls that you need. So let's talk about the thermometer. Over here you have all the different controls. You can switch between body or surface depending on what you're trying to take a temperature reading of. And then you have your little mode menu controls. The long press the mode that takes you into the menu, and then you can make adjustments. You can adjust whether you want it to be in Fahrenheit and Celsius. Then you can also adjust what is the alarm temperature, because if you set it so that if your temperature is over a certain amount that would be considered alarming, it alarms. It'll beep very loud and long to let you know the temperature is high. So you can adjust that. Then you can also calibrate this. You calibrate it by taking temperature with a regular oral thermometer or similar to get a precise temperature, and then use this, take temperature with this like 3 times and see what is it exactly the same or is it just slightly off. Then you can calibrate this and adjust that inside the settings. And then the last thing you can do is you can change the beeping. You can make the beeping on or off. I like the beep. It alerts you to know when the reading is done, or if it's turning off, or if it's low or high. It beeps to kind of let you know that it's low or high. So I like it on, but it's not too loud or annoying, but you can turn it off if you don't want it. So it's great that they give you that option. A couple of other cool things about it. The display is a nice LCD color display, very easy to read, and it has different colors. So the standard color is green when you're going through the menu or anytime you take temperature, and it's in what would be considered the normal range of temperatures for humans. If it goes extremely low or extremely high, then the color changes to either red or orange. So you have a very good, quick, clear color indication if the reading, the body temperature reading is extremely high or low. So that's great. It's very easy to use. You've got this little trigger here. Infrared sensor is right here, and you just point it at your forehead, or better yet, someone else is pointing it at the forehead. I have a hard time doing this to myself because I don't always point it right, but I'm going to try. And there you go. There's the reading right there. If you can kind of read that. It's hard to see because the camera's focusing on me, but it took reading 98.7, so my temperature is good. Again, you saw the green light. It's very easy to read the LCD. Even when the light cuts off, it stays on for a few seconds, then it cuts off. You can still read the LCD, and then it beeps when it completely cuts off, because it does have auto shut off in order to save power. But it does really, you saw, very quick. Again, it's just a really easy, quick way to get a quick estimate of body temperature, especially to tell if someone's temperature is very high or very low, and you need to obviously be concerned and address it. And very easy to use. Now, it does have memory built in here as well. It stores, I believe, up to 99 temperatures. So if someone is sick and you're using this constantly over the course of several days, you can go back and see exactly what the readings were for the last up to 99 temperatures, but you could easily see for the last few days what the temperature has been, what the range has been. You can switch this to surface and take temperature of any surface, not just body temperature, but if you're using it for body temperature, then you switch it to body, and it's specifically set to read body temperature. So really excellent product, very simple product, but a great product to have around, and just a really easy, quick way to get that body temperature estimate to know, especially to know if the temperature is extremely high or low and you need to be concerned. And that's what this is for, and it works great if you are looking for a product like this, if you have kids, if you take care of someone who's elderly and you need to constantly be taking temperature just to see if it's extremely high or low. This is a great, quick, non-invasive way to do it, and great product, definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.